Hi everyone, Namaskar. I'm Shweta Kanade. I'm the owner of Rhapsody by Shweta. Rhapsody really means this kind of joy that's difficult to express, almost ecstatic, and that's exactly what I aim to give you, unbridled joy but for your skin through my products. So my brand Rhapsody by Shweta is about natural skincare products. And it all started when I was pregnant. I've been running this brand for 3 years now. And when I was pregnant, I had a lot of free time on my hands. And of course, like most ladies would know, you're very concerned about the kind of food you're eating. What is it that you're putting on your skin? Should you go to the parlor? Should you get any treatment done? Will it affect the baby? So because I had a lot of free time on my hands, I started watching a lot of YouTube tutorials. I went to Pinterest, I read a lot of blogs, articles, and I started experimenting with natural products because I wanted my baby to be safe. And it so happened that I made these products and gave it to some of my friends and relatives, and they loved it. And they came back to me and they said, hey, why don't you make a few more for us? We'd like to gift it to our friends and our colleagues and our relatives. And that's really when it occurred to me that this could probably be a business that I could grow. And that's how the idea of Rhapsody came about. So let's take a look at some of the products that my brand offers and learn about the benefits you can get from it. What I have here is our Sereno soap. Sereno is great for dry skin. The main ingredients in this soap are oatmeal and honey, and let me explain the benefits behind these ingredients. Oatmeal works as a scrub. Also, it has a lot of good oiling properties, so therefore it keeps your skin soft and supple. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant. By humectant, I mean it locks in the moisture in your skin, and therefore it will keep your skin soft and smooth and nourished for a longer amount of time. What I'm holding here is our 100-gram size, but we also have products available in smaller sizes. So if you do decide to try our products, you can always order the miniature sizes and see what works for you. So talking about Sereno, it is a product that is so gentle that it can be used on children as well. In fact, I use it on my son. He's 3 years old and I've been using it on him since he was almost a year and a half, and I've never had any concerns whatsoever. Another great benefit of Sereno is that it can also be used for patients who have eczema, which is severely dry skin. It is a gentle enough soap to be used on them as well, and it's great for winters or even all-round use. So next what we have is our Delphic soap, which is for a skin type which is the complete opposite, that is oily skin. Dry skin and oily skin are the most commonly occurring skin types in India. Combination skin is a bit of a rarity, but this product along with the Sereno that we spoke about earlier are some of the first products that I launched under my brand Rhapsody. Now this helps to control the acne and pimple issues that most people with oily skin tend to have. The main ingredients in this are activated charcoal and peppermint oil. Now activated charcoal helps control the production of sebum. Sebum is a naturally oily substance that our skin secretes in order to keep it moisturized. And the reason acne and pimples happen is because the sebum production goes up and down. So what activated charcoal helps do is reduce the oil secretion and balance it out. Now the peppermint oil in it helps relieve the itching and the burning sensation that is caused by pimples and acne breakouts. There's a third ingredient in this that we add, which is vitamin E oil. Now sometimes activated charcoal can dry out your skin a bit too much. So to balance that, we add vitamin E oil, which helps keep it nourished and moisturized, and it restores the strength and the nature of your natural skin. So the next product that we're going to talk about is a personal favorite really. It's our PMS oil, which is period pain relief oil. And let me talk about the ingredients in this product. It is a mix of essential oils and carrier oils which help alleviate pain that is caused during periods. And I'm going to mention a few of the ingredients. One is clary sage oil, which is great for pain relief. We also have lavender oil, which helps calm you, soothe you, and there is also ginger oil, which helps generate heat and helps bring down the pain that is caused during menstruational cramping. Personally, I think this is a great remedy for all the women who go through this discomfort every month. And honestly, it's not feasible to be taking medicines every now and then, because it's going to be with you for a very long part of your life. So this is mainly for topical application. You do not need to consume it. Do not consume it. It's just for a massage. So like any other oil that you use for massage, you take a few drops and you apply it to your lower stomach, your lower back, and around your navel on your stomach. And this provides a lot of relief from cramping. I would like to mention that how this hair oil works is that it gets into your roots and it addresses the core problem which is causing the hair fall. Now, hair fall can happen because of a variety of reasons. It could be stress, it could be pollution, it could be hormonal changes, it could be dietary changes. So it's always necessary to make sure that you go to the doctor and ensure that you don't have any underlying medical condition. Even then, this hair oil will help you get rid of these problems, but because it is a natural product, the effects or the timing taken to show its effects may vary from person to person. But rest assured, this product has a lot of benefits, so not to worry. So the last featured product here is our beard oil. It's from our Dadi Mooch collection for men, so we haven't forgotten you. It is one of the two products that we've launched for men, the other one being the aftershave spray. Now the beard oil essentially helps you soften your beard hair, so it becomes easier to manage, it becomes easier to style, it improves the texture, it also helps in growth. So it's very easy to use, like all of our products that we have spoken about so far. You just take a few drops and apply it to your beard. If you'd like to leave it overnight, you can do it before you go to sleep, or you could apply it first thing in the morning and style it as you like it. So these were some of our star products in our range of handmade products. I make all of these products myself, so quality is always assured. And also we don't stock any of the products beforehand. They are all made to order, because that gives us a chance to customize as per client requirements and fulfill and address all of your skin concerns to the fullest. And now for the fun part. I'm going to take you through the recipe of one of our bath salts. I will show you the ingredients and the process so you can all try it at home and avail the benefits of it. So let's get started. So the recipe I'm showing you today is for our lavender bath salts. The main ingredient in a bath salt is Epsom salts. The scientific name for it is magnesium sulfate. Now Epsom salts have the property of giving you pain relief. It also helps to bring down any kind of swelling you might have. So it is a very common usage to put some Epsom salts in warm water or hot water and soak your feet in it if you've had a very long, tiring day, and it helps give you a lot of relief. Now the other ingredients that we use in our lavender bath salts, one is our organic coconut oil, which is the base oil that we use, and that is the main moisturizing factor in the scrub or the bath salt. The other is vitamin E oil, which is obviously for a lot of nourishment and moisturizing content. The third is lavender oil. Lavender oil is great in soothing your fears, calming your nerves and calming your anxiety. So if you use something like a lavender bath salt before sleeping or before bedtime, it helps you relax and sleep better. The last ingredient that we use is our food grade coloring. Now obviously, as the name suggests, this is a coloring that is mainly used in pastries, cakes and so on. If you don't want any color, you can skip this step, not a problem at all. But I like adding a few drops because it makes the bath salt look really nice when you package it in a jar. So let's get started with how this is made. Now this is approximately 100 grams of Epsom salt. I'm adding this to a glass bowl here. It is preferable that you use glass containers because the essential oil doesn't react with glass. what happens when you use plastic is that if you're using a pure grade essential oil like we do, it will break down the plastics and therefore it will contaminate your essential oil. Of course, it doesn't happen right away, but it's always preferable to use a non-reactive material, and which is why if you see, I have a wooden spoon as a mixer. I have a silicone spatula to mix or to use whatever contents I need. So once you have your Epsom salt in your bowl, you take your vitamin E oil, and I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil to it. So let's do that. Now we take our lavender oil. We add half a teaspoon. So that is twice, since this is a 1/4 teaspoon size. Alright. And now we have 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Once you have all of this, just give it a good mix. Now understand that you can always adjust the levels of your lavender oil and your coconut oil depending on how comfortable you are with the fragrance and how dry your skin is. So if you need a lot of moisturizing, you can always add a little more coconut oil. If you are comfortable with a strong fragrance, you can always add a little more lavender oil. Now the last thing I'm going to add here is the food grade coloring. Like I mentioned, if you don't want that, you can skip this step. So I'm just going to add 1 or 2 drops of violet food grade coloring. Gives you a similar color to that of lavender flowers, and just give it a good mix. As you can see, the oil is nicely mixing, and you can already see that it will be very moisturizing once you use it on your skin. So we don't need to add any more to it. So you do that, and that's really pretty much it. Your bath salt is ready. What you do now is you transfer it into a nice clean glass jar like this one. Now all our products are packaged in glass bottles because, like I mentioned, plastic might react with the essential oils. So now I'm just transferring the Epsom salts into the jar. There you go. And now you close it nice and tight, airtight. And what I have here are the labels of the bath salt. But if you're making this at home and if you'd like to gift it to someone, or let's say you're making it as party favors and you'd like to give it to your guests, you can always have a label that says thank you for coming, or thank you for your wishes, or whatever you'd like. Or if you're giving it for Christmas or Diwali, you can have wishes on it that say Happy Diwali, Merry Christmas, and just tie it up with a nice little twine like this. This is a jute rope that I've used, a thinner version of it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. That's your bath salt. Now you can use this bath salt for pre-manicure soaking. You can use it for pre-pedicure soaking. You can even use it on your skin as a scrub. You can add it to your daily bath water and use it to give you a nice relaxing pick-me-up kind of feeling in the morning. And there you have it. That's your lavender bath salt from Rhapsody. So that's how easy it is to make your own bath salts. Do give it a try and let us know how it worked out for you. We hope you like this segment, and don't forget to get in touch with us on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook, the details of which are on your screen. Also give our other products a try. We have a wide variety of products: lip scrubs, lip balms, solid deos, sunscreens, you name it, we have it. And if we don't have it, we'll make one for you. I'm Shweta Kanade, owner of Rhapsody by Shweta, saying thank you to Pragat Maharashtra News for giving an entrepreneur like me a great platform to share more about my products, to showcase my talent. And also a big thank you to our viewers for giving us your time and watching us. Keep watching Pragat Maharashtra News. Namaskar.